I'll guide you through how to convert an Instagram profile to a professional account the easy way, without endlessly searching for features or losing valuable insights. If you're looking to monetize your IG profile and get access to powerful analytics tools, or you want to add contact buttons to your profile, and you want to convert your personal Instagram profile to a professional account, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. Before we begin, a couple of important things to know. First, your account must be public to switch to a professional profile. If your account is currently private, this process will automatically make it public. Second, you'll have to choose between a creator or a business account. A creator account is best for influencers and public figures and gives you access to a wider music library. A business account is best for brands and retailers and offers features like shopping tags and a physical address. You can always switch between them later. So, here is the step-by-step process to convert your account. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the app to go to your profile. Tap the three-line menu button in the top right corner. Depending on your device or version, you'll see Business Tools and Controls or Creator Tools and Controls, or Account, or even Account Type and Tools as in this device. Tap whichever you see. Select Switch to Professional Account. You'll see a series of screens explaining the benefits. Tap Continue to proceed. Now, choose a category that best describes your profile. You can also toggle on the Display on Profile option. Tap Done. Finally, choose between a creator or business account and tap Next. Your profile will refresh and the new professional dashboard will appear, confirming the change. By this, you have successfully learned how to convert an Instagram profile to a professional account. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more Instagram video tutorials. Thanks for watching.